wellness tip.
To feel bright and light when you wake up in the morning, start your day off with a glass of warm water as opposed to your coffee or chai. Hi, I'm Prajwala from Bright and Light Wellness.
That was Wellness Coach Prajwala. To learn more about how Bright and Light Wellness can help you reach your health goals, visit brightandlightwellness.com or call 408-982-7725. That's 408-982-7725.
అవునమ్మా అవును తెలుగు పాటలే ఇలాంటి ఎన్నో మస్తు మస్తు సాంగ్స్ మన రేడియో డి హోటీస్ యాప్ లో రోజు వస్తున్నాయి. అలాగే మన బే ఏరియాలో మొట్టమొదటి తెలుగు షో సండే సందడిలో ప్రతి ఆదివారం నేను మీ హోస్ట్ ఫీబీ సందడి చేస్తూ మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ అలరింప చేయడానికి వస్తున్నాను.
హలో టైము
తెలీదేటే పుత్తుకంకి నాకు 7-8 అబ్బా 7 to 8 PM సండే ఈవినింగ్.
అబ్బా కడుపు నిండిపోయింది బంగారం.
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
Hi, this is Shankar.
Hi, this is Ehsan.
Hi, this is Lloyd.
And you're listening to Radio D Hotties.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations.
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskara.
Vanakkam.
Khushamadid.
Assalamualaikum.
Sat Sri Akal.
Make Andariki Wandan
Jai Swaminarayan.
Jai Shri Krishna.
जय जनेन्द्र.
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोलते या अली मदर.
मोरारी मतलब बोलते हैं सारे फीजी बंदरों बोलेगा नीसा बोला बनजान हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा myself Alt Baba.
And of course myself, your darling प्यारी फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम जो बना देगी आपकी शाम को totally exciting and totally मस्तानी बना.
That's right, but the Janine, of course, आज of course, night was actually the Hot Pick Tuesdays, and we actually going to go to the Holi Top 10. But industry band pada hai Bandajan thanks to the mask wearing Narendra Modi.
Huh? Why thanks to the mask wearing Narendra Modi मतलब?
उन्होंने जैसे ही मास्क पहना पूरी सभी जगह पे मास्क पहन गया पे. Everybody is
know,
wearing mask
yaar.
right now.
I know.
नहीं, but then the whole Indian industry is shut down, so there's no marketing effort going on for us to giving us the permission to play any of the songs they generally give us to play. So we are pretty much left with what we have countdown for the past 3 weeks, 4 weeks now almost.
Yeah.
It's been the same countdown for the past 4 weeks. Hasn't it? There's not many new songs coming into the picture.
Well, not really the same countdown. We haven't done the same countdown.
No, we haven't sent out the people. Like, people are working from homes. Nobody's working at offices now for the sending these to survey forms to fill out.
Yeah, that's true.
At office expenses. So the point is yes. The issue here or the situation over here is this Punjab. Today we decided we look at all the songs and we look at our playlist also. We actually have, as you guys know, we have 24/7 stream going on. Occasionally half an hour, 45 minutes, whatever. We do have some maintenance going on different times, but that's only very rarely it happens. But point I'm making here is
Very rarely it happens.
what?
Yeah, we know because who's handling the maintenance part of it.
Moi.
Yeah, he's working from home too, Banjan. We know what he's working.
I work remotely for 30 years.
Yeah, he's actually sawing trees and stuff like that.
Sawing
right?
trees. Why am I sawing trees?
Of course you are.
Faltrani, no. Faltrani is mistaking my exercise time. I'm a karate expert. I actually am a black belt, Panjan.
Yeah, he
So
does.
Faltrani doesn't know that. I'm a black belt in karate. And what?
Yeah, karate लेने में expert है हम.
Exactly. Come on. अरे किस्मत वालों को मिलता है ऐसा नहीं Faltrani. Anyway, it doesn't matter. If I say something, नजर लग जाएगा मेरे पे. We don't want that to happen. So, Panjan, let's tell you what. Faltrani जलती रहेगी. जलते हैं किसके लिए? तेरी आँखों के दिए. I don't know, Faltrani. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like giving a gali in all songs, but that's a total different show. Gali Galots probably on Saturday we'll do it, so I can take all the kundas from Faltrani afterwards.
Why you do tomorrow, no?
Tomorrow Gali Galots.
Why? It's your call.
Are you in the mood? Oh, you're in the mood, I suppose. Faltani, please
ये
cool
मत
down.
भूलना Altu Baba, who's a potty mouth when it comes to like really giving it back.
Not the potty mouth, Faltani, potty brain. That's what you are.
No,
we
I'm
understand.
not.
So, but let me tell you, forget about Faltani. We finished to come to topic, Faltani.
Huh.
So we researched all our playlists and everything. We saw that, top 10 to you guys give us the top songs. Correct. 10 tak aap ginti kar dete ho. You know, what happens is, even for the past 4 weeks now, Faltani, when you do the shows on the top songs of our year so far, quarter, right?
Huh.
Have you been very lenient towards the top 5 only, man?
Yeah, because first.
No, because
first place
sorry,
में जो है.
sorry. Bhai tera bahut tej hai was actually somewhere in between in the 9th and 10th.
That was an anomaly, aberration. वो क्या कहते हैं? Appendix जैसा होता है. वो extra infected appendix था.
Whatever. The point I'm making is that what happened to all the 10th rank holders?
What 10th?
I was a 10th rank holder one of the years of my school times.
What one of the years?
Oh, many of the years? I don't remember actually. One of the years specifically for that.
Excuse me. Please. तो जब सच सच बोलो आल्तू बाबा, at least from time to time सच सच बोलो. हमेशा तू 10th rank holder था, याद है?
नहीं फालतू नहीं. I
हाँ.
was never always. So फालतू नहीं. हमेशा मैं स्कूल में नहीं था. That's the definition. Understand that फालतू पर जब फालतू नहीं कभी कभार no, उसका दिमाग भी उसका मेमोरी भी ऐसे उसकी जैसे और भी सब
आपको ये मालूम नहीं है बंधुजन, आल्तू का ये दावा था कि अगर वो फर्स्ट रैंक लेके आएगा तो वो एक्सपेक्टेशन सेट कर देगा कि हमेशा फर्स्ट आना है. सेकंड भी आया तो फिर भी गाली डांट पड़ेगी घर पे.
क्योंकि फर्स्ट नहीं आया क्यों फर्स्ट नहीं आया.
हाँ.
अगर मैं रिलैक्स होके कुछ सीखा मैं फालतू से I never believed at a very young age I didn't believe in test taking फालतू. But Rajan, please, I hope kids are not listening right now. Let me also tell you one thing.
No, even schools have decided that they're not going to test.
I
this time.
knew it. I was thinking ahead of time.
It's like a credit, no credit.
I
kind of
was
thing.
thinking ahead of time, Faltrani, always.
Yeah.
And I never believed test taking. So my point was, okay, सीखना सीख लूंगा. Test देना है दे दूंगा.
दे दूंगा.
So
मत-
दे क्या था?
और
Whatever I
इसका-
knew. But the point was, okay, here's the
लेकिन 10th rank ही क्यों?
10th rank was something very. I think it was just the stars aligning in a certain angle, Faltrani.
No,
I never counted, Faltrani.
I know. I've heard the story specifically, and I know your argument was, Badhujan, please, if kids are listening, then please make sure that they're not, because what he would do is he'd say, if I get anything beyond 10th, it's not considered a rank. According to his dad.
Yes.
And then if he did, and next time if he got anything like a 9th or 8th even, they'll say, okay, wow,
Praise
from
you.
10th he went.
Yeah. So it had happened, but so you work enough as much you can get. So basically, if you're working for 100 marks, you work for 90. अगर आपने सभी कुछ 90, 91, distinction, yeah, that's called distinction.
Oh,
Falguni.
God.
So that the 98th percentile is what 91st percentile one has to fight for actually. And that's exactly what I has to do. Not जितना चाहिए लिखता था. If I, beyond the point, I never asked to answer questions also. Falguni.
शर्म नहीं आती है तेरे को?
कभी नहीं. अभी तक तो आई नहीं है, लेकिन I don't know आगे क्या होगा because फालतू मेरे साथ मैं बहुत शर्मिंदा हूँ.
I love, my God.
Faltani, the point is today's show is all about 10th ranked Tuesdays.
Uh-huh.
We are focusing the songs which were the top 10, but the top song, the first song we played in all top 10s.
Yeah.
Thus far in this particular year.
Okay.
Right?
You want to play all those songs, the 10th rank holders.
Let's recognize them. Yeah, come on. Why not, Faltani? Pandujan, please, if you thought you have any inputs as to, this song should have been song number 1 or song number thing, because some of them actually went up on the countdown as well. We understand. But some stayed there and some got politics, dealt with them.
Huh. How
And,
politics, man? What
Faltani,
happened?
you yourself were a big politician out here.
Tu na?
What? Bhai tera bahut tej hai?
That was not a movie song.
So what is
I
that?
know it's a घटिया song. Altu, tu फिर से करेगा ना? तू
Hey, it
देख
was not a
लेना.
movie song. You say, fine, I'll take it. But don't say it's a Ghatia song.
It was
You
a
never
Ghatia
know.
song.
Badshah might be waiting to put into some movie soon.
It's Badshah, ne?
Badshah
Oh,
featuring.
God, no
So when
wonder.
Badshah is coordinating with some of the small-time actors, he's going to take that song and put into some kind of movie for sure. He's that kind of pull he's got. So Faltani, let us tell our bandhus.
हाँ.
जनवरी में कौन से गाने 10th पोजीशन पे थे बिकॉज हर महीने में हमें 4 हफ्ते मिलते
हाँ.
हफ्ते में 4 शनिवार हमें हर महीने में 4 हफ्ते मिलते थे
हाँ.
एंड 4 हफ्तों का 4 काउंटडाउन मिलता था.
Oh, wow.
So what do you think in the month of January, what ruled the bottom ranks? The 10th rank.
Well,
because
it-
it's actually on top of all these other songs, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So tell
Correct.
us, please.
हाँ.
Pray,
तो
tell.
आल्तू,
Yes.
ये जो जनवरी में हमारे गाने थे, right? It was from this, largely from those movies that came out at that time, which were the Indian patriotism war kind of movies. So one of the songs that was at the position number 10 for a long time, in fact 2-3 weeks ऐसे इस position पे था. ये गाना था from the movie तान्हाजी. साचेत परंपरा का म्यूजिक है. सुनिएगा ये गाना कॉल्ड घमंडकर.
Oh, nice.
सुनिएगा, एंजॉय कीजिएगा अपनजान. दिस यू विल नॉट हियर एनीवेयर एल्स. इट्स ओनली आल्तू एंड फालतू who will give airtime even to these songs, which poor things die under the
The
shade
power of the
of
9 songs about them.
yes.
भवानी के वीरों उठा लो भुजा को, सत्याग्नि को मस्तक सजा लो, स्वाहा हो शत्रु प्रचंड मचा दो.
कौन हो तुम? मुक्का मुमरट. नाउ सूबेदार तानाजी मालुसरे.
हम तुम्हारी जानिसारी और वफादारी से बेहद खुश हैं. इसलिए हम तुम्हें कोंढाना का किलेदार बनाते हैं.
घमंड से चलो, ना डरो ना गिरो, काटो सबको दिल से जीत के यूं चलो. घमंड की पुकार है, डरो ना डरो, दर दर में लहू के बढ़ चलो. घमंड ही तेरे शीश का शिकार है, चीर शीश सबके बढ़ चलो. घमंड से चलो, ना डरो ना गिरो, काटो सबको दिल से जीत के यूं चलो.
This should have been the anthem. Everybody going and fighting against coronavirus.
Yes, Ghamandakar. It's a beautiful song, Manichan. In fact, this particular jo music hai na, ra 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 ra, that is the theme music for the entire movie.
That's true. It was a very haunting movie. Tune also, by the way.
Yeah, it was.
Coming out of theater, they go ra 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 ra. Especially when walking in the corridor, right?
Huh.
It was dark and I could just see the door and the small sliver of the particular window there and having some light outside.
Huh.
I felt like I was walking towards victory. Da ra 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 ra.
It's like some of these movies have that effect on you, right? You feel like as if ki,
Bigger than the theater.
huh? Like, you know, even when you went to the Uri movie, you felt like you're coming out of the movie, you're like, if I was there, I would have done this, I would have
I never felt that.
No?
No, I didn't feel that.
I feel that a lot.
Oh, really, Father? Because
Yeah,
you're a drama queen, Father, and you like to get engrossed in this whole story.
Hey!
What?
Just because I get enrolled in the script doesn't mean I'm a drama queen, okay?
Okay,
Rascal.
fine. You're not a Sally. Fine. The point is, Padajad, that was a good song. That was Jamboree song. What else was there in Jamboree, Father, in position number 10? We got to recognize all these songs, Father. What is this, yeah, Faltu?
Yeah, what? Recognize all these songs. I'm starting, no? I started with this particular movie,
Okay,
right?
तो और क्या था फालतू? Come on, you should actually be ready with this. Like,
ये
when I
जो-
ask you
ये
questions
जो-
that way.
जा,
It's
जा,
like a Viva t-shirt exam for you, Fatwani. Come on.
हे भगवान, आलतू बाबा तू भी तो कुछ काम कर सकता है.
मैं तो काम कर ही रहा हूँ, फालतू तेरे से पूछ रहा हूँ.
हाँ हाँ, क्या पूछ रहा है?
What are the other songs which were there position number 10 on the
Yeah,
month
so
of January?
this particular movies, Tanha ji ka ek aur gana hai from the same movie, which was also at position number 10. But the song Ghamand Kar jo bhi hai, right? That particular song was something that was there throughout the month of January.
Was
We
it
ha-
throughout? I don't think so. Was it throughout one?
Well, not at position 10. It was like 10, 9, फिर 7 पे गया, फिर वापस 10 पे आ गया, that kind of thing. But let's tell you another song that was at position number 10, 10th
Interesting.
ranker.
Oh, really?
Entered the countdown as a 10th ranker. And this was from the movie Good News Chi.
Oh,
It's a beautiful song, Manujan. Beautiful bole to a lot of people like to dance to this particular song.
Okay.
DJ Chetus has reinterpreted this particular song. Dhwani Banushali, Lijo, George और कुमार के बोल हैं. सुनिएगा from the movie Good News, a song in the voice of Sukhbir, the original Sukhbir song called
Interesting.
Sauda Khara Khara.
Slow it down.
ओ एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी. एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी. ओ तेरे दिल के इशारे ये तो पढ़ने लगी. अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी. ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा, ओ तेरे पीछे पड़ा. ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा, तेरे पीछे पड़ा. मेरे नाल कर ले जरा. दिल देना दिल लेना, दिल देना दिल लेना. है सौदा, है सौदा, है सौदा खरा खरा. है सौदा खरा खरा. है सौदा खरा खरा. है सौदा खरा खरा. तुझे लगता खराब, मुझे लगता बुरा. सौदा इश्क दा जो है तेरा. आ आ एवे सेट तू ना हो, परे हाथ let me go. Spoil करना तू मूड मेरा. आ आ ओ दिल को तूने छुआ, ओ जट संती हुआ. ओ दिल को तूने छुआ, जट संती हुआ. मेरे नाल कर ले जरा. दिल देना दिल लेना, दिल देना दिल लेना. है सौदा, है सौदा, है सौदा खरा खरा. है सौदा खरा खरा. है सौदा खरा खरा. है सौदा खरा खरा.
this song actually went up to top 5. I remember, right?
It was
Didn't
also it was also song number 1 at one point, na?
What?
नहीं?
That is a problem with you, Fatodi. I told you today we're not going to focus on any song which
वन
reach.
नहीं मैंने नहीं लगाया बाप. मैंने ये गाना था 10 पे. तेरे को देखना है तो दिखा दूंगी.
Okay, fine. Chalo, doesn't matter. But then the point is today I'm focusing only on 10th ranks, but all the people who actually were, all the songs which actually came to song number 10, because 10, 9, 8, tak, we never focus on them much. Even if they have a play on a system, it only plays like, once in like 24 hours if it plays also.
Well,
That's a
but-
very slow, very low play rate actually.
And he thinks that the 10th rankers should also be considered, Bandhujan, and he says
course,
10th
yes.
rankers also have
I
an
appreciate,
important
I totally have empathy for that.
Yeah,
I've been there. I feel the pain.
being the 10th ranker.
Yes.
Okay. Well, for these are the 10th rankers because he thinks that, oh, that's what it is, Altu Baba. I get it now. किसी ने मुझे बताया कि some people overcompensate for the attention because they don't get it or something like that before.
Faltari, please make sense of it, please.
So you said everything is about you, right?
Everything, I didn't say that. You're saying it actually. I agree with you if you want
What?
it.
You said it to me.
Let's agree with you, okay? Fine.
What? Did you just agree with me?
I said yes, okay. I don't
Okay.
want you to feel bad, Faltari, because you have a sense of projecting on people. So that's why I want to make sure I give you enough. What? So what?
He's coming up with this psycho babble, Badjan.
Psychobabble.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Faltari, you are the person who is the dictionary out here, not me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's true because
I'm a thesaurus.
Hey, don't hold my knowledge of English against me, okay?
I will not.
Rascala.
Don't worry, not.
Okay, Abhi. What was I trying to say? I
That's
totally lost
that's
track.
exactly my point, Faltari. I'm asking you to focus on 10th rank songs.
Okay.
So can you tell us what else on the month of January? I can't believe only 2 songs were there on position number 10 because a lot of new songs came in also actually.
अबे अरे लगा रही हूँ ज़्यादा बात मत कर आलतुआ बहुत ज़्यादा बात करता है
Okay, fine, लगा ना।
कितना मच करता है सीरियसली
अच्छा लगा तो सही रहा लेकिन
अभी नेक्स्ट गाना जो अभी लगाने वाली हूँ पंजन हे भगवान मैं थक गई इस गाने को सुन के
It's a beautiful song, Barajan. I love the song. You'll love it also, Barajan.
Oh my God, how many times this guy played it and every
Hey,
Monday our
in that,
gaane.
I don't have mustache, but I can always do the dance.
Okay, you've heard it also many times, Sunja, and it plays many times on our app.
Hey,
And
play kar, just much band kar, play kar.
it's from
Hey, much band kar, play kar, darling.
it's in the
Arey,
voice
much,
of
much.
Abbe! It's in the voice of Mehul Vyas. Mehul Vyas का ही composition है.
हाँ, अच्छा.
It's from the
हो गया
movie.
तेरा narration? क्या build-up देती यार?
तू लगा.
From the movie what?
From the movie what?
What?
मेरे पूरे description का लगा रहा है तू what?
Okay, fine. अच्छा तू तेरे को scope चाहिए ना बता ना बोल.
छोटी मैं कुछ नहीं बोल गया अभी आगे से कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे बस गाना लगाते जाओगे देखो देख
इतना खुशी मत दे मर जाएंगे लोग.
दुश्मन को देखना चाहता हूँ.
दुश्मन को देखे चाहते बता दे. ए आंखें बंद कर फादर नहीं और प्रे कर.
शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा बूझ 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 धर पकड़ बूझ बूझ पकड़ 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 शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा चंड चतुर मेरी खोपड़ी में रक्त का दिया जला चंड चतुर मेरी खोपड़ी में रक्त का दिया जला पूछ मेरी चिंगारी है हकड़ मेरी मतवारी है नाच गान तलवारे हैं बोली में अंगारे हैं लोमड़ी की खाल लिए शेरों की चाल चला नौटंकी खेल से टोरी का चूल्हा जला बूझ 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 धर पकड़ बूझ बूझ पकड़ 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 दिल के पट खोल रे स्वामी तेरा आया रे पाँव में जंग लिए नौटंकी लाया रे ऊंची है दीवारें कूदने को आया रे बूझ 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 धर पकड़ बूझ बूझ पकड़ 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 शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा
देखा बलचंद. Gems are there at the point of 10. You know why, Faltoni?
हाँ.
Whenever there's a peak, right, Faltu? The peak, ना? Mountain peaks, Faltu?
मुझे कुछ नहीं बात करना तू जितना बोलना है तेरे को बोल दे अभी ज्यादा बोलेगा ना आलतू मैं ना मेरे पास
हाँ,
मैं
क्या
लेकर आ
तुम-
गई
क्या
मैं बस
लेकर-
ऐसे दिखाऊंगी तेरे को
क्या ये?
ये
Photograph.
देख,
So
देख.
beautiful.
yeah
My image is so beautiful.
yeah so you'll remember that you can't make bad comments about me
Well, lower this right now. I never made bad comments about you.
yes you
Faltoni.
did yes you did
हाँ, बुरा तू मान गई
हाँ
Faltoni.
मेरे को नहीं देखना है तेरे को
बदजान फालतूनी सही बुरा मान गई. हाँ, अच्छा फाइन नोट की बंद कर. आगे क्या था? What are the songs there, Faltoni?
मेरे को नहीं बोलना है आलतू बाबा.
नहीं बोलना पड़ता.
नहीं बोलना तेरे से.
God, personally. Somebody, Srikant Brahmbhatt is saying, ha ha ha, he's showing the, what do you call that, the rocking sign.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he said the father, don't cry, it's okay, it's all in good humor.
What? Shrikant?
Yeah, it's okay,
Don't
fine.
do this to me, yeah.
Hey, don't get angry at Srikant Brahmbhatt now, because he didn't say all those things on Facebook.
What?
Yeah, I said it.
I'm not going to say anything bad.
Okay, what else was there for 30 or top at the level of 10?
There were a couple of other songs. One movie which also kind of made it into the top 10. 1 minute ye pakad. Yeah, that's it. Okay. हाँ. तो वो क्या करना है बंदर? I have to like keep my protection handy, right? So I've got a picture of my Mahima ji so that this fellow won't keep bothering me all the time. So आपको बता दूँ, another movie that really made the okay, whatever. So another movie that really made the countdown, and one particular song didn't really make it to the top, but
Why?
was okay. Was somewhere in the 10, between 10 and 7 it kept toggling.
जरूर उसके साथ भी तो पॉलिटिक्स की होगी.
मैंने कुछ नहीं पॉलिटिक्स किया, okay? तो ये है फ्रॉम द मूवी जवानी जाने मन. जैजी बी, ज्योतिका टांगड़ी और प्रेम और हरदीप की आवाज़ों में है ये गाना. या टांगड़ी.
Hey, क्या बात की बात है तू?
क्या
टांग दी उसने?
तू चुप बैठ
What
तू.
did she hang up?
अभी गाना सुनिएगा टीचर. The song called गल्ला कर दी, another reject.
मुझ पे नजर ना टिकाना, का तो मेरी अख दा निशाना. Let me love you, let me love you. हर मुंडा follow मैनू करदा, ढूंढे मिलने का बहाना. Let me love you, let me love you.
जिने मेरा दिल लुटिया, जिने मैनू मार सुटिया, जिने मेरा दिल लुटिया, जिने मैनू मार सुटिया. लक पतला बलौरी ओदे नैन नैन, कन्नी चुम के हुलारे ओदे लैन लैन. गल्लां करदी शायद तो मिठियां. जिने मेरा दिल लुटिया, जिने मैनू मार सुटिया, जिने मेरा दिल लुटिया. Bounce to the beat, girl. Move your body, girl. Bounce to the beat, girl. Move your body, girl. Bounce to the beat, girl. Move your body, girl. Bounce to the beat, girl. Let me see you move it tonight, girl. Oh yeah, na na na. Let me see you move it tonight, girl. Oh yeah, na na. Girl, you're the one I like. Won't you come by my side? Sitting by the candlelight. Baby girl, let me make you mine. Shining bright like the star, girl. I feel your loving 'cause you stole on my heart, girl. Reminiscing of the way you're looking from afar, girl. Girl, your love is never ending till you be hard, girl. सामने किसे दे उबलोड़ो संगदी, दुनिया तो चोरी चोरी दिल मांगदी. सामने किसे दे उबलोड़ो संगदी, दुनिया तो चोरी चोरी दिल मांगदी. नाल लिखदी रोज सानू चिट्ठियां. जिने मेरा दिल लुटिया, जिने मैनू मार सुटिया, जिने मेरा दिल लुटिया. Girl, I know you see me. Just let me take you out in my city. Never seen a girl so pretty. Everything you do is so litty. Girl, be my kitty. Nobody can rule you. Baby girl. Ooh, girl, me got no time for drama. Just call me Mr. Lover. Let's move, girl. 'Cause everybody wants ya. I know people talking about ya.
ਤੈਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਅੱਜ ਤੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਦਿਲ ਮੁੰਡਿਆ, ਪੇ ਕਰਿਆ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਬਿੱਲ ਮੁੰਡਿਆ. ਵੇ ਤੂੰ ਪਰੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਰਾਣੀ ਚੂਜ਼ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ. ਜਿਨੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਲੁੱਟਿਆ, ਜਿਨੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮਾਰ ਸੁੱਟਿਆ, ਜਿਨੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਲੁੱਟਿਆ.
ਲੱਕ ਪਤਲਾ ਬਲੌਰੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਨੈਣ ਨੈਣ, ਕੰਨੀ ਚੁੰਮ ਕੇ ਹੁਲਾਰੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਲੈਣ ਲੈਣ. ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਤੋਂ ਮਿੱਠੀਆਂ. ਜਿਨੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਲੁੱਟਿਆ, ਜਿਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮਾਰ ਸੁੱਟਿਆ, ਜਿਨੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਲੁੱਟਿਆ.
Today. It's COVID-19 and sad and number shelter city 35 in this city. Oh.
What man? What did you do? Totally गाने का छित्तर कर दिया इस तरह.
Excuse me.
हाँ?
I like it, okay?
Excuse
Big
you.
deal. Hey, but isme Tabu looks awesome actually. She's wearing a red dress and dancing around. If you don't know about that, go check out the video for sure. It's very nice. Paltani, aage badho. What else there?
Why only Tabu? That girl also looks nice. What's her name?
Hey.
Alaya.
All ya furniture. All your furniture.
Huh.
All your furniture needs come to this particular furniture. That's what the furniture are. Her dad must be in big time furniture industry now because most of the star.
No man, they're very very rich.
I know all the star will buy rich furniture from them, right? He gets it down from Gujri for like $10, 10
How do
rupees.
you know it's
he
funny?
sells out 10,000 rupees everywhere else because I know people from the industry. Faltrani.
Hey, बाटली वाला का ये मतलब नहीं है उनका बाटली वाला business है.
Tha.
अबे नहीं रे आलतू बाबा, that's a surname.
Hey,
So wait,
Surnames-
that means Ronnie Screwwala means what?
they sell screws to people. What?
thank
They
God.
had.
I was thinking something
Hey,
else.
they're hardware stores, man.
Oh,
Hardware stores. What? You
whatever.
didn't.
He
Hey.
is UTV ka. He's the executive, whatever.
Yeah,
right?
so school laga to lage wire aa gaya abhi na. So his next generation, if at all he had his own generation, he'd be like, Ronnie TV wala,
Hey,
channel
whatever.
wala, content wala. Because that now we can't do all those things because right now they can't, they already have copyright all those things, right? एक ज़माने में ऐसे ही था फालतू नहीं cycle वाला, बाटली वाला, डब्बे वाला, you know?
Actually, next
गान
गान
ची गानों की बारे में बात करो क्या तुम
गान Bengali
yeah
गान
God,
बोल
what
रहे- बांग्ला गान.
Srikanth listening to our show right now Brahmbhatt
So
yeah
so what?
बुरा नहीं मानेगा वो
वो क्या तो सुनिएगा बच्चा. The next song that I have for you is from this movie called Street Dancer 3D.
हाँ बरजान talking about बकवास songs ये अच्छा गाना actually सुनो.
It is not a bakwas song.
It's a nice song. What did I say? Father, please change your mind and listen to it properly. I said it is not a bakwas gana. So listen to it. Said.
You said talking about bakwas songs. Whatever.
I said talking about that. This is not a bakwas song. Is what I
This
said.
is another 10th rank holder, okay?
And your 10th rank holder, Father, you're coming to the point. You actually cut me off last time as usual. But the point is.
बेजुबां कब से मैं रही
We ask you same question. Come.
बेजुबां सहती
Wait.
ही रही.
We asking कब से कब.
Rascala.
We asking you कब.
मैं कब से खड़ी हूँ यहाँ पे और कब से बोलने की कोशिश
कोशिश करी नहीं कि बोल ही रही तू. काम मिलता है बोलने के लिए.
लेकर आओ फोटो.
तू फोटो लेके फालतू चलेगा.
हाँ.
गा तो ला के
तू
बाबे
कुछ
लेके.
बोलने वाला था ना बोल.
मैं बोल रहा था 10th रैंक पे जेम्स क्यों होता है मालूम फालतू नहीं.
जेम्स
अगर
जेम्स नहीं बोलते हल्त भाई यहाँ पे एमिनेम्स बोलते हैं.
हाँ करेक्ट. एविडेंस क्यों होता है मालूम है.
हाँ क्यों.
देखो क्या ना ऊपर शिखर पे मतलब ऑन द टॉप ऑफ अ माउंटेन.
राइट.
Okay, whatever you keep rolls down.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
You find life originating in the valleys, not on the cliff tops. So you have gems over here. Oh, sorry, M&Ms.
Actually ना मेरे को एक फीलिंग आया बाबा.
क्या लगा
I
रहे?
felt you are manifesting. जैसे तो अभी
The
बोला.
you and me and you. The me is actually me talking to me about the me. You know what
If
you're
you don't
talking
know
about.
what we're talking about, it's a very thick joke.
Yeah, it's very thick.
So no, it's not. Actually, anybody who gets the reference will know what we're talking
But
about.
actually, it's very lot of big meaning in that. Father. I totally think it's very meaningful.
His recent video that I saw, I was like, wow, not bad, man. I mean,
that sparks
it
of
makes
wisdom.
sense.
It makes sense for sure because it's total nonsense. And the whole world is nonsense, by the way. You
Yeah,
don't know about
that's
that.
true. Nothingness.
Can you
That's
please play the song for Bunny to enjoy the song at least? My God, how much you talk.
What?
I feel this song totally. बेजुबां मैं कब से बैठा यहाँ पे.
अच्छा, तो तू ही बात कर.
And Baljan, music by we don't know.
Sachin Jigar.
And also singers I don't know.
Siddharth B and Jubin Nautiyal.
बेजुबां कब से.
बेजुबां कब से मैं रहा बेगुनाह सहता मैं रहा बेजुबां कब से मैं रहा बेगुनाह सहता मैं रहा. Watch out, we're back again, go. Watch out, we're back again, go. जुनून मेरा है मेरा दाना है पानी है नाचना मैं शांत हूँ तो तूफानी है नाचना मेरा जाऊँ मेरी रानी है नाचना मेरा सम्मान है नाचना तीर से छूटा कमान है नाचना मेरा धर्म और ईमान है नाचना एक ही मेरा भगवान है नाचना भगवान है नाचना
बेजुबान कब से मैं रहा बेगुनाह सहता मैं रहा बेजुबान कब से मैं रहा बेगुनाह सहता मैं रहा
कैसा लगा आलतू बाबा?
My feelings Faltani.
क्या?
बेजुबा कब से मैं रहा बेगुनाह सहता ही रहा. चलो और ढाओ जुल्म फालतूनी.
मैं
और गाने लगाओ. क्या
अच्छा.
गाने थे 10 पे? February आ गई तो आई स्टिल इन जनवरी आई मूड ऑन टू February.
I'm somewhere in February.
क्या February तक आ गई तू? February में तो वो आया था रे.
तेरा फेवरेट आया था ना?
कौन? श्रद्धा कपूर.
श्रद्धा कपूर इसमें भी थी. हेलो हीरो. फरवरी में ये गाना आया था बनुजान. ये मूवी निकला था एक्चुअली. द सॉन्ग वाज एंड इन द लोअर रैंक्स 7th 8th 9th
10th पे था ना.
ये 10th पे था. ओके ये गाना.
हाँ बता लगा.
मैं बोलूं? थैंक यू वेरी मच. ये गाना है अंतरा माली की आवाज.
अंतरा माली नहीं. अंतरा की गाने लगी. अरे
Sorry.
भाई उसका एक और फिल्म आ रहा है अंतरा माली.
दर्शन रावल और अंतरा की आवाज. अंतरा माली why? What is she playing?
I don't know, some horrible movies come and she's changed so much, man.
Oh, all work done, huh?
No, she's Sukudi wants to become a total like as one of those.
She was always a sukru. She was never like anyway.
Anyway,
she was one of
fine.
those Ram Gopal Verma women.
Hey, don't say all those things.
Yeah, of course she was. What are you talking about? You and you only said right. What is the movie? Dorda. What is that?
Don't was Urmila Matont kar rahe.
Oh, okay.
Antara Mali did not get that kind of chance at all.
Same difference. All even Urmila Matondkar was a Ram Gopal Verma girl. What are you talking about?
She became afterwards, right?
Eh? No, she was.
She wasn't. She became afterwards.
Please, Rangila was his movie. Ram
Rangila
Gopal
was his movie?
Yeah.
Falturani, you're telling me these things right now?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Next guy, gaane bata.
Okay, the next song that I have for you is a beautiful song, Vijay, but it didn't make it to the top. It's a beautiful song.
Hey. All the songs are beautiful at song number 10. Go.
This is a song from the movie Love Aajkal Banjai. It's a beautiful song called Mehrama and it's in the voices of Darshan Rawal and Antara.
कि मैं तुमको देखना नहीं चाहता फिर कभी
दर्शन रावल वही बंदा है जिसने गाया है ना वो एक लड़की को देखा तो
साहिब जगा चाह बहुत बार है ना कहीं कभी मेरा दिल लगा कैसा समझदार है मैं ना पहुंचूं क्यों वहां पे जाना चाहूं मैं जहां मैं कहाँ खो गया ऐसा क्या हो गया ओ मेहरमा क्या मिला यूं जुदा होके बता ओ मेहरमा क्या मिला यूं जुदा होके बता ना खबर अपनी रही ना खबर अपनी रही ना रहा तेरा पता ओ मेहरमा क्या मिला यूं जुदा होके बता
जो शोर का हिस्सा हुई वो आवाज हूँ लोगों में हूँ पर तन्हा हूँ हाँ तन्हा हूँ मैं दुनिया मुझसे जुदा ही करती रहे
जान, दिस इज सॉन्ग नंबर 10 का काउंटडाउन भी नहीं यार, सॉन्ग नंबर 10 का आपके लिए पेशकश। 10th रैंक ट्यूसडे पे आज हम लोग गाना वही लगाए जहाँ पे ये फर्स्ट क्वार्टर में जो भी गाने 10th पोजीशन पे आए थे तो काफी सारे गाने आए थे, लाइक आई डोंट नो इफ वी कैन डू जस्ट 1 hour ऑफ ऑल द सॉन्ग्स, बिकॉज हर हफ्ते में हमारे पास हर महीने में हमें 4 हफ्ते मिले, हर हफ्ते में हमें काउंटडाउन मिला, तो मतलब 3 महीने में हमें 12 हफ्ते मिलते थे। 12 हफ्तों में मतलब 12 गाने, ओ माय गुडनेस, नहीं हो सकता। वी एक्चुअली played maximum around 5 or 6 songs we had today, and between lot of Faltani's banter there. तो
आजकल मेरे पे बिल भरता है फिर से। तूने इतना बड़ा लंबा चौड़ा डिस्कशन किया, क्या वो फालतू ऐसी है, उसने निकाल दिया गाने, ब्ला 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 ब्ला।
Okay, Faltani.
चलो ठीक है।
Whenever you choose to talk about me, it's nice. I like your fan following. Very good, actually.
My fan following?
You're my biggest fan, right?
No, I'm not. Thank you very much.
You always talk about me.
No, I'm not your
कुछ
fan.
भला हो या बुला हो, मेरे बारे में मेरे कोई आप you always dedicated to me.
अच्छा,
हाँ.
okay, it's your call. Whatever you want to say, you keep saying.
अच्छा, fine, Faltani. We come to the close of this hour right now.
Are we?
Yeah.
Okay, which song do you want to close with?
I leave it to your choice, Faltani, because I'm so impressed by the way you're working on our days. I'm going to say, okay, Faltani, to decide.
You have a choice. It's Tiger Shroff with a sad song. Tiger Shroff with a rejigged version of a Vishal Shekhar song.
Option C.
And of course, Bappi Lahiri's rejigged song.
Option C.
That is? Option C. That's what these see all
Bappi
these
Lahiri.
options. Dare Pyar Kar Le.
Uh-huh.
But that came to the top anyway. Okay.
Then don't talk about that song. Talk about some of the songs then.
So this song.
Is there any song which we have Shraddha Kapoor in it?
Yes.
Let's play that.
Okay. Faslo mein Banjan from the movie Baghi 3. एक खूबसूरत गाना है. It is again Sachit Parampara's music, and I think Sachit Tandon himself has sung it. सुनिएगा, enjoy कीजिएगा.
फासलों में बट सके ना हम जुदा होके, मैं बिछड़ के भी रहा पूरा तेरा होके। फासलों में बट सके ना हम जुदा होके, मैं बिछड़ के भी रहा पूरा तेरा होके। कदमों का तेरे हम सफर होके।
This song is the only reason why I will probably go watch the movie Banjan and of course Shraddha Kapoor. What?
And Ritesh Deshmukh?
No, sorry, please.
चलो ठीक है, तो फिर इसी गाने के साथ हम आपको छोड़े जाएंगे बजान. That we will be back tomorrow morning at 9 with our morning drive time. Good morning बे. तब तक के लिए हमें इजाजत दीजिए. Good night.
शब्बा खैर.
And a प्यार भरा.
सांस भी ना ले सके तुमसे अलग होके, मैं रहूं कदमों का तेरे हम सफर होके। दर्द सारे मिट गए हम दर्द जब से तू मिला।
गुमसुम तू भी खामोश है, सच है समय का ही सब दोष है। धड़कन धड़कन एक गम रहता है, वो जाने क्यों फिर भी दिल कहता है.
Hi guys, this is
जी
Shraddha
है
and you're
जरा.
listening to Radio D Hottie, where the entertainment gets hotter.